I know very well. I know that as a musician, I know that Oliver the Cocker has always promoted African culture and African tradition. Now in my position as a custodian of African culture and African traditions, I can now categorically say that Oliver Cook's music promotes culture, promotes the tradition of Africa, and with his release of Music Africa, I'm sure he will win very many fans all over the world because he is propagating the culture and traditions of Africa.
Ubazeba, Nina Chanyo, Ubazeba, Oya Neme, Ubazeba, Una Nemeo, Una Nemeo, I'm well, Nina Yellow Bodazi, I'm well, Nina Lolo Bodalo, I'm well, Nina Yellow Bodazi, I'm well, Nina Lolo Bodalo, just walk out on the Nina, who may be that Jimmy, or the Aquacho, no wild money, full of money, no wow. Osinamiga, Guamasini Kuku, Osinamiribia, aye. Osinamiga, Guamasini Kuku, Osinamiribia, aye. Ndiozonetiegu, Manabi Makaneti, Ndiozonetiegu, Manabi Makaneti, Abatatiegu, Amogalo Megwaza, Egwama, Abatatiegu, Amogalo Megwaza, Egwama, Onyabuna Balubegu, Kaito hypertension, Ogene Nyamule, Oyamagabo, Kwabenisi, Ogene Nyamule. Yenabegu Pujabu, Ebali Yego. Yenabegu Pujabu, Ebali Yego. Ejabibu Punemenoa, Ebali Yego. Agriba, Ogene, Ibapa Jayama. Ejabibu Punemenoa, Ebali Yego. Agriba, Ogene, Ibapa Jayama. Agriba, Ogene, Ibapa Jayama. Yegwanyo, Odena Bitimbiri. Egwamazina Milio, Egwamasini Kuku, Osinamiribia, aye. Egwamazina Milio, Egwamasini Kuku, Osinamiribia, aye. Onyabuna Balubegu, Kaito hypertension, Ogene Nyamule, Onyamagabo, Kwabenisi, Ogene Nyamule.